Hey guys, I got my Boxycharm base box for the month of September. So this box consists of 5 full-size items for the fraction of the price, and you get it every month. So make sure you go and click the link on my bio to subscribe. But the theme this month is Start Your Runway. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So first up is the Glow on the 5th Beauty. This is what it looks like, and this one retails for $24. It has a cooling sensation when you apply it. So I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes like that, and oh, it feels really good. How does that look?
Okay, so this is the part where I lost the sound for some reason, but this is the signature palette from Ofra Cosmetics, and it's $32, and these colors are absolutely perfect for fall.
Okay, the next one is the Tint Phantom Liner, and this one is $18. So let's go take a look. That's what it looks like. Let's come right up. Oh, super dark. Pretty. And we have the full size Better Than Sex mascara, so I'm just gonna apply that into my lashes. This is what it looks like. I'm using the mini. And then I have the Dewy Highlight from Ciate, London. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that here. Oh, really subtle. Alright, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the link in my bio to subscribe.